Hey everyone, this is Byron and Karen. We're here at 296 Frazier Street in downtown Lewisburg, West Virginia, and we want to show you around this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home on half an acre. So we will show them the neighborhood. So here we are. We are on Frazier Street, so it is a short distance to downtown Lewisburg.
Yep, downtown Lewisburg is...
Oh, sorry. I'm going to make you that direction. And you can also go the other way and get to downtown Lewisburg.
Yeah.
So
you can walk straight out the back of the house here and probably get there.
So this property has a beautiful lot. Do you want to show them the lot first this time? So we'll come around this side of the house. It has an updated metal roof and down the garden path you can see the lot. So it has nice mature trees, has that outbuilding for your outdoor storage needs, and then that's the house itself. So nice lot for in town.
Got a brand new metal roof.
Yes. So as you walk inside, you will see this home is listed the price that it is because it is a full remodel. So we'll enter in this nice porch. You enter into the living area. As you can see here, it does have nice wood floors. Of course, need some refinishing, and then the nice large fireplace there. And the ceiling, they have taken off the ceiling, but isn't that neat? Ceiling, if might be fun to keep that as an architectural feature. So we'll head into this room. On the listing, this is called the office or the study. It also has the hardwood floors. It has built-in bookcases, and it does have a small closet there in the corner. So if you wouldn't need to use it as a bedroom, that could be a potential. It would fit like a twin-size bed probably. This home has nice tall ceilings to it.
Remember, I'm 7 feet with my hand up, I think.
Yep, so.
You always figure it out.
Very good. So we will head over into the kitchen. So this is the home that Byron and I did the redesign to, if you recall that. He made it into a rustic, modern home, and I made it into an English cottage. Some of the features I love about this kitchen is this sink with the washboard. I would totally keep the sink and, put it on a modern cabinets and stone top.
Look at this. It comes with this.
Right, Cola?
I mean, when was this made?
Isn't this a beautiful view? The park-like setting. That is a gas range. And then on this side, they have tons of storage. And there's lots of floor space too. So you could also, potentially add an island kind of where Byron is if you wanted to.
I think you could keep a lot of this in the kitchen here.
Yeah, and just refinish it, repaint it, add some new countertops. This is a metal countertop right now. But it could totally be updated or just left and painted. Add your personal touches. So this is the 1 bathroom of the home. And the flooring has different variations. It has linoleum. It also has wood. Has that pedestal, a fixed sink, and then they have updated the shower here. So it's a shower surround. As you can see, some more updates to be made, but be really awesome place. All right, so we will go in this bedroom, and then we're probably gonna have to circle back around because there is a hidden feature to this home that you will have to stick around to see. So this is the second or first official bedroom, I guess you could say. It does have this gas fireplace and it overlooks the backyard there with the closet. And then it has these double doors that lead into the center bedroom, I guess we will call it. But the center bedroom is accessible by the living room too. So you could have this as the bedroom. If you just needed one bedroom, you could have this as the bedroom. Make that back room a dining room or a secondary living space. Have the first room be a living room. It has neat molding features here and up there. And then a good size closet here that wraps around. So we're gonna show them the cool hidden feature.
Okay.
And it's just behind this door. All right.
Okay,
So,
I'll go first.
okay.
Kids, we turn the lights on, or
Okay. So up these back stairs, which I would describe as like a spiral staircase, but made out of wood. So we are actually in the attic space now. So it has partially finished wood floors. This overlooks the backyard there. Now this, even if you decide to finish this out, it does not have 7-foot ceiling height. So it would just be used as an upgrade for your use. But it does have a good amount of additional space. If you worked from home, you could finish this out. I would probably put a desk right there so you see out, or in this space here. If you have children, it'd be a fun play loft. Or if you have a lot of stuff, tons of good storage inside the home. Okay, we wind our way down. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let us know if you want it. We'll be here.
Bye.